Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick but powerful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add connections in Figma, specifically, how to prototype interactions between different frames or screens. If you've ever wondered how designers set up that smooth flow between a checkout page and a payment success screen, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to link elements in your designs together and preview their interactive flow, making your prototypes feel real and engaging for clients, teammates, or your own creative process. Let's dive right in. I've set up a simple project with a checkout UI and a payment success screen. If you're following along, it can be anything: login to dashboard, onboarding steps, you name it. The key idea here is that connections help simulate what happens when, for example, a user clicks Pay Now and gets taken to a success screen. This really helps stakeholders and users visualize not just how the screens look, but how the app is supposed to work. Now here's what you do. Make sure you're in the Prototype tab in Figma. You'll notice when you select any object, say a button or an image, there's a little blue circle or node on the side of it. That's your connector. Basically, it's like grabbing a wire and plugging two screens together. All you need to do is click and hold that blue dot, and then drag it over to the frame or element you want to link to. So in our case, drag it from the checkout button over to the payment success screen. Take your time with this part. Sometimes, especially if you have a lot of frames on your canvas, it can be easy to drag the connection to the wrong place. If that happens, don't worry, just let go and try again. You'll get used to how it feels after a couple of tries, and this is where the magic of prototyping really starts. Once you've connected your frames, a little menu will pop up where you can set up your interaction. This is where you can start to get creative. By default, Figma usually picks on click as the trigger so that when a user clicks the button, they're transitioned to the success screen. But you can experiment with things like changing it to on hover while pressing, or even adding fun animations like slide-ins, fades, or instant transitions. For a checkout scenario, I'd recommend keeping it simple with on-click and maybe add a gentle dissolve effect just to make the user flow feel a bit more dynamic. Don't forget to let your creativity shine here. If you want your prototype to really stand out, try chaining multiple interactions or using overlays. But if you're just starting out, connecting two frames is a fantastic first step. Once you finish setting up your interaction, it's time to test it out. Head up to the top right of Figma and click the Preview Play button. This opens up a live simulation of your prototype. Click the button you connected, and you should see it move smoothly to the next screen, just like a real app. This step might take a few moments to get used to, but it's incredibly satisfying to see your designs come to life. And that's really all there is to it. Connecting frames in Figma is quick, intuitive, and instantly makes your projects more interactive. Practice this a few times and you'll start thinking in flows, not just static screens. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips, drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.